In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update JavaScript on Firefox. The key idea is that Firefox already includes its own JavaScript engine, so you never download JavaScript separately like you might download an extension. Once Firefox is open, look at the top right corner of the window. You should see the three horizontal lines icon, often called the menu button. Move your mouse to that icon and click it. When you click it, a drop-down panel appears, showing options like New Tab, New Window, History, and more. This confirms you are in the right menu for updating Firefox itself. From here, look near the bottom of that menu for the Help option. Click Help. Then in the small submenu that appears, click About Firefox. A new About Firefox window opens, usually centered on your screen. In that window, you will see the Firefox logo and the current version number. Now Firefox will automatically check for updates. You do not have to press anything yet. In this About window, you will see text that says whether Firefox is checking for updates, downloading them, or already up to date. When an update is being downloaded, a small progress indicator appears, so you can tell it is working even if nothing else seems to change for a moment. If an update is available, it will download automatically. You can keep this About window open while it finishes. On many connections, this only takes a short time, but large updates may take longer. Once the download has finished, the text in the About window changes to tell you that the update is ready to install. That change is your sign that Firefox now has the latest JavaScript engine ready. To complete the process, click Restart to update Firefox to finish the installation. Firefox will close all its windows for a moment, then reopen. When it comes back, the About Firefox window usually appears again, now stating that Firefox is up to date. Your open tabs are restored, and at this point your built-in JavaScript has been updated along with the rest of the browser. Next up, let us make sure JavaScript is actually enabled. By default it is on in modern Firefox, but you can verify it. Click in the address bar at the top and type the words About Config with a colon between them so it reads About Config. Then press Enter to go to that internal settings page. You will see a warning page with a button that says Accept the risk and continue. Click Accept the risk and continue. This takes you to a long list of advanced preferences. These are powerful settings, so avoid changing anything except what we cover here. At this point, use the search box at the top of the page and type JavaScript.enabled as one word. Firefox filters the list and shows a single entry named JavaScript.enabled. This preference controls whether websites are allowed to run JavaScript at all. Ensure the value is true. If it shows true in the value column, JavaScript is already turned on and you can leave it as is. If it shows false, click the toggle button on the right to change it to true. The change applies immediately. You do not need to restart Firefox for this setting. Note that there is no separate JavaScript download for Firefox. Keeping Firefox updated is the correct way to get the latest JavaScript engine, plus performance and security improvements. You have now updated Firefox so its built-in JavaScript engine is current, and confirmed that JavaScript itself is enabled and ready to run on websites. If this helped you get JavaScript working smoothly again, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and you are welcome to subscribe for more simple Firefox guides.